good morning to our dear lecturer and also my fellow friends. Let me introduce myself, Rajeswari Muhunthan, and also my group mates, Irdina, Shahira, Yew Hui Xian, Aina, Qistina, and Divyadharshini. And we would like to present about AIA Public Takaful Berhad. What is Takaful? Takaful is actually originates from the Arabic word kafala, which means guaranteeing each other, and we can say also joint guarantee. And Takaful is often referred to as Islamic insurance, is the kafala, guarantee contract, and the insurance contract appear to be quite similar. Although the idea of Takaful is based on non-commercial principle and the center on mutuality, the operation and funds are often administered on a commercial basis by a Takaful operator. Takaful appeals to Muslim because it incorporates various Islamic features such as ta'awun, tabarrud, and profit and loss sharing. Takaful, on the other hand, is compliant with the Sharia, which specify the concept of communal compensation and share obligation, and has been authorized by Muslim scholars. Muslim communities now have access to general health and family life Takaful insurance. One of the conditions of Islamic banking in real world today is diversification of Islamic financial products is required. Islamic financial institutions provide a wide range of financial products to choose from. This instrument might be divided into three, which is fixed return, variable return, and profit sharing, each with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Extremely, the fixed and variable return instrument have extremely employed, while the third has been used infrequently. As a result, it would be desirable for Islamic institutions to diversify their sources of funding, which translate to a more diverse profit sharing strategy. According to several academics, Islamic bank has a severe problem with their over-reliance on fixed return strategies. The issue is comparable to a crisis in the Islamic financial system. The Islamic banks' heavy reliance on fixed mode funding while limiting their use of alternative instruments that may have given more profitable option and has resulted in negative effects.
So next I'll be continue presenting the condition of Islamic banking in the real world today. The condition of Islamic banking in the real world today is also accelerating the path of financial innovations. Actually, the accelerating the path of financial innovations is the future prospect of the Islamic banking in Malaysia. As the field of Islamic finance develops, innovations will be critical to maintain a competitive advantage. It will be very crucial for Islamic finance future, and while the initiate focus has been on institutional development and financial infrastructure development, more attention needs to be paid to expanding the range of product and service available to meet the highest level of the consumer sophistications and the more complex requirements for today's business, as well as improving the overall efficiency with which such product and service are delivered. A number of things are necessary to create an environment that encourage and promote creativity. For starters, the industry requires highly qualifications and skilled staff to innovate. Training is an important tool for fostering innovations. As a result, industrial personnel development is critical, and this process will be also benefit from corporate collaborations and participation in university education through course development, teaching, and internship. The Islamic Banking and Finance Institute Malaysia, or IBFIM, has been established in Malaysia as an industry-owned research and training institute in Islamic banking and finance to spearhead greater collaborative effort with universities to undertake research in areas that are critical for the progressive development of the Islamic finance industry. Next, I will be presenting the potential of Takaful market in Malaysia. The potential of Takaful market in Malaysia is potential for growth. Bashar al-Natur, fixed rating global head of Islamic banking and insurance, said that in 2019, Takaful in Malaysia grew faster than the conventional insurance market. Owing to consistent domestic consumption and raising consumer awareness, there is scope of development. The Takaful market estimates that the industry will continue to grow at a faster rate than traditional insurance. Family Takaful, which is more established, is essentially identical to the life insurance market. Takaful in general is trailing, although this is not unusual. The gap between Takaful and conventional insurance is downway like as wide as it is in other Islamic financing areas. According to Fitch, family and general Takaful premium increased by 29.6% and 16.4% in the first half of 2019, which is 13.1% and 8% in 2018 respectively. So compared to 12.2% of conventional life and negative 1.3% of general insurance, we can see that 2019 is better than the percentage rate in 2018. The Takaful sector continued to grow in the Malaysian insurance market, with family Takaful such as life insurance and so on, accounting for 35% of the overall life market in FH19, up from 32% at the end of the 2018. General Takaful such as motorcycle, fire, third-party, marine, liability, contractor, risk, worker compensations, health and personal injury, and so on, made up 16% of the whole general insurance market. The potential of the Takaful market in Malaysia is the Takaful company will aim to the target that they do not have any insurance in the insurance area or do not have insurance in other reasons. So first is people who do not have insurance due to religion reasons. Second, people who insure and are insensitive to religion reasons. And thirdly, the people who currently do not have any insurance at all.
Greeting madam, I am Divyadharshini N Subramaniam. I am going to continue about the 5 type of products Takaful provided by AI Public Takaful Berhad, which is life protection, medical protection, critical illness protection, saving and investment, and lastly online insurance products. Firstly, life protection. There are 4 types product provided, which is A. Life Legacy Builder is a Takaful plan for families that helps customers leave a lasting legacy for a better tomorrow by ensuring that their loved ones are taken care of so they can follow their ambitions and dreams. Secondly, A. Life Ikhtiar Child Solutions. AIA Public Takaful Berhad understand their consumers' need with their A Life Ikhtiar plan and suite of optional riders like A plus Total Health, A plus Baby Care Extra I, A plus Parent Care Extra I, and A plus Parent Continuator I, which is provided a total health solution for both mother and child from as early as 13 weeks of pregnancy. Thirdly, A Life Ikhtiar, which is family Takaful plan that provides a financial safety net for their family in the event of an unexpected event. The second product is medical protection, A plus Total Health. A strong medical plan should be able to safeguard its members both when they need medical treatment and when they are in excellent health. As a result, AIA Public Takaful created a plus Total Health to provide complete medical coverage that protects customers from rising medical costs without imposing a lifetime restriction. Secondly, A Plus Health Booster is a medical rider that can be added to the A Life Medical Regular Plan to increase medical coverage. It gives them a higher yearly limit, improve outpatient benefits, and other advantages such as health screenings and immunizations through the AIA Public Takaful Health Wallet. Thirdly, a life medic family with medical costs on the rise. Their family needs a comprehensive plan that will provide adequate medical protection. A life medic family is an affordable medical plan with no lifetime limit that takes care of it and their family's medical needs. The third product is critical illness protection, which is a life beyond critical care, which is a plan created to accompany their health journey and offer them with full critical diseases protection until they reach the age of 80. This strategy includes everything from early detection to prevention, as well as treatment and recovery. Secondly, a Life Lady Eye is a comprehensive female plan that meets their consumers' protection needs. This plan provides them with death and total and also permanent disability benefits, along with a number of first in market features specially designed for women. The fourth product is savings and investment, which is A Enrich Goal I. AIA Public Takaful consumers have hopes and dreams for their future. Whether they involve a new car, a new house, their children's educations, or their retirement plan, it's important that they have a financial solution that helps them realize their goals. Secondly, A Enrich Rezeki. The unpredictability of how life events unfold is a constant reminder that they should always be prepared. Sufficient and stable savings are necessary to provide security to their loved ones in the event of an unforeseen incident. Last but not least, the product of AIA Takaful Berhad is online insurance products, which is AIAI Medical Basic provides their consumers coverage for medical treatment and hospitalization at an affordable price. This plan is suitable if they are looking for a basic medical coverage. They can participate in AIAI Medical Basic directly in online and be protected immediately. Secondly, AIAI Critical Illness Cover, which is provides them coverage for 39 critical illnesses at an affordable price. This plan is suitable if they are looking for a basic critical illness coverage. They can participate in AIA Critical Illness Cover directly in online and be protected immediately. Thirdly, AIA Starter Plan is a simple and affordable family takaful plan that provides coverage on death. This plan is suitable if their consumers are new to takaful or if they are looking for basic takaful coverage. They can participate in AIA Starter Plan directly in online and be protected immediately. Fourth, AIA I1 plan is a simple and affordable takaful plan that covers death and total and also permanent disability. Whether they are new to family takaful or looking to increase the level of coverage they currently have, they can participate in AIA 1 plan via online and be protected immediately. That's all from me. Thank you.
So the next thing that we will be talking about is about pros and cons of each product offered by that Takaful institution. The first product offered is life protection. So the pros is lower initial cost when compared to permanent insurance, and then the term is usually a sensible choice for people who are building a family, and it's a good option for addressing requirements that will disappear in time. And then you can buy term because it is the lowest price right now and convert it later if you choose not to or if you need to. And then the term is the simplest form of life insurance to understand. But the cons is the specific restricted time frame that term life offers may be an issue for some people. And then life protection insurance is like renting a house or apartment which there is no cash or value for the policy after 20 or 30 years. And then if you should develop some health issues, that will keep you from getting a new policy. And the last one is the conversation is only allowing you to convert with the company where you first bought the policy. The next one is medical protection insurance. The pros is you have more freedom to choose medical providers, you have shorter waiting time and also higher quality facilities. But the con is medical protection insurance can be really expensive, and then there is no subsidies offered for private health insurance, and also plans may not meet federal requirements and possible tax penalty. For critical illness insurance, the process you can pay some a lump sum, and also it is tax-free. And then you can combine critical illness insurance with life insurance, and it will allow you to take time out to recover and also seek treatment. And there are many policies will pay out if your children become critically ill, but the cover can be really expensive and you have to meet the qualifying definition. Last but not least is the online insurance product. So the pros is it costs lower than the other insurance product, and then it is seamless plan comparison, more convenience, it has seamless documentation, and it can keep you from mis-selling firmly at bay. But the cons is you might mis-selling by the third parties, and also you might receive a rejection of claims.
The conclusion AIA Public Takaful for society is AIA Public Takaful has announced the launch of a Life Legacy, its newest family Takaful plan, to help clients ensure that their loved ones' future are well protected by leaving their legacy in good hands. Customers may not only safeguard and grow their wealth with a life legacy, but they can also give back to the community by sharing their legacy with a charitable cause with the plan's latest first in market a plus impact rider. Customers can use the short and complete plan as an estate planning tool since it provides strong protection with a minimum coverage of Rm 350,000 and pays up to 600% of the total value insured in hibah, means gift, to their loved ones. Customers of a life legacy can also benefit from up to 4 million in coverage without having to pass any medical examinations. They will be insured for accidental death that will while performing Hajj or Umrah, as well as total and permanent disability, means TPD. Another key highlight of a life legacy is its account legacy, which encourages consumers to save by rewarding them for excellent financial habits and attaining significant life milestones. If customers make timely contribution, an amount will be credited to their account legacy every 2 years, at the conclusion of the certificate term at the end of year 20. Furthermore, if a customer marries, receives a new family member, enter retirement age, or achieve other key life milestones, they will get up 50% of the collected account legacy amount. Customers can also add a range of optional riders to their life legacy plan to boost their safety and saving needs, such as critical sickness cover. However, in addition to developing and protecting their wealth, the plan allows individuals to give back to the community by channeling Takaful benefits to the community as part of their continuous philanthropy through its one-of-a-kind plus impact rider. This means that if a customer dies or suffers from TPD, the rider coverage amount will be paid to the customer preferred charitable cause or to the rider's charitable partner, Mercy Malaysia and the National Cancer Society of Malaysia (NCSM). PB Trust Service Berhad, AIA Public Takaful Service Provider, would transmit the contribution or infaq amount to the chosen charitable cause. A life legacy is available to people aged 40 days to 70 years old and offers a variety of coverage and contribution options to meet the demands of clients. It's also linked to AIA Vitality, AIA's science-based health program that gives members the knowledge, tools, and motivation they need to make healthier choices and achieve their health objectives. Thank you.